What's up guys? So earlier today we received a bunch of sheet metal parts we've been waiting for. So in today's video we're going to kind of bring you guys along, show you what the shipment consists of, and have you guys unbox it with us. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. If at some point you guys see our boy Guru, comment down below the timestamp and we'll pin your guys' comment to the top. If you guys see that like button's car, man, go through that thing, press every button, twist every knob, and switch all his seat positions just so that before he gets going he has to take those extra couple minutes and set back up.
We'll put them all over here. Maybe play some music behind them. One of these got our roof panel. Alright, I guess I can see that one even though. Merry Christmas!
Wrapping paper? I swear to God, I saw it. I was like, please tell me that's wrapping paper.
Yo, a whole roll from the dollar store.
Wrapping paper is
Yeah, it's a box within a box. Done.
I know.
Yeah, no, we're not done. Let's see if they switch colors or if they just gotta do everything. That's good. Show them first. Yeah, another ding though. That's okay. Damn, this is unwrapped. We gotta check the corners on this one. This is the rear balance. Always come damaged. They always come damaged. I think I went through 2 on Darrow's. And shit. That is a breeze right there. Damn, this is gonna be sexy. Good thing is that we don't need it because it's not gonna be, we're gonna be making our own mounts. Door, baby. That body style, it goes all the way through the fender. You know what though, if I worked at a parts place like this, you know I'm gonna have an old car. Look, they made it look like vinyl on the interior texture. All the interior. Back then they had metal to spare.
So So guys, that was our unboxing video for the 67 Fastback. To recap, we got the roof panels, fenders, quarter panels, and the tail light panels that is specifically for the Shelby GT 500. Everything is made out of steel, no fiberglass. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys later.